Very good. Hi. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, it's okay. I brought you some snacks. How's your belly? Want a snack? You just had a snack, didn't you? Always room for one more bite. You have to bite it though. You have to bite it because it's not an ice cream cone. There you go. Good job. You got a little on your side there. There you go. Here's the other one that's here. Here's one. Good job. Good job. What's this? A little poop string. A little clump. How you doing today? You getting ready to have those babies? I hope soon. Then you'll never have to do it again. Isn't that nice? It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, see, we're such good friends. Oh, such good friends. Yeah, what a good girl. Such a good girl. Wait, I just wanted to check and see if we need to do any washing. How's your bum? They sure are big in there, huh? Oh, there's a lot of them. Oh, she's such a good girl. What a good girl. Oh, hi. It's okay. Oh, remember? We're friends. Yeah. You forget fast and you remember fast. Such a good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. right there. Strong heartbeat. The kitten's heart rates are much faster than mom's heart rate. So there's one here. And they have to be in the right position. So you can see that one kicking. Yeah, let me do the other side. Thank you. Thank you. That's a skull. I don't think we're going to hear anything there. Except purring. There's one there too. Good girl. What a good girl. Definitely heard two, one on each side. Strong heartbeats of kittens. Yes. Amongst the purring. I wish I could tell what color they are. That'd be cool. How's your bum bum? I feel like you may have had some. No, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's better than it was. We've given it the old college try. Your foot looks wonderful though. Doesn't even hurt anymore. Are you making little tiny biscuits? You're making little biscuits. You just start popping them out right now. That would be good. That'd be perfect. Go ahead. She seems to be a bit more restless today. But could also be because it's noisy outside. Noisy. You don't like food trucks. Oh, so cute. Oh, you're so beautiful and special and brave. This will all be over soon. And then it will be a distant memory. Hopefully you will remain happy with me being here after kittens are born. There, I helped you with some eye crust. You're so cute. Full of kittens. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. That's a big bump. It's a big bump, isn't it? Oh, big sigh. I know. Oh, you're such a good girl. You need to get your poop under control. I'm giving her everything I can for her diarrhea, but I can't give her the good drugs because they're not safe. It was getting better and it looked a little bit worse, like it was maybe worse overnight, but that's not abnormal. I think pregnancy makes it worse, I would imagine. You have not yet. You didn't really embrace the cloud pillow, did you? And then I had to take it out because you got some poo on it. But it's back. You might like it. I should clean your sink while you're out of it. Special. What a good girl. Oh, look at that belly. What a good girl. What's this? Is that a baby's head? Someone's head butting you right there. Oh my goodness. Your poor little ribs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that adorableness. Time to go. Oh, squeeze. She's still purring. Okay, now I can flip the blanket. Okay. And the snacks. You're so cute. Look how brave she's gotten. Coming out into the open. Oh my goodness. It's nice that this thing has a drain in it. I was cleaning your sink for you. What do you think about that? You gonna stay over there for a minute? Where did your little toy go? Wait, hi. Hi. What's it? I'm gonna come in this way and pet you. Oh, so brave. Oh. Get the fern spores. Fern spores on the floor. What's this? Oh, get it. Think about purring. Oh, get it. Oh, get it. Did you get it? You got all frisky? Oh, she's so fierce. Can you imagine her having to hunt in the forest in this condition? Not that you're not moving fast, Mama. You might have to work a little harder though. Oh, he's so cute. You probably wouldn't have gained 4 pounds though. You probably wouldn't be quite as round. Oh, get it. Look at that fierce huntress. Oh. Oh, she's gonna eat it. She's doing a Felicity trying to pull off the little bits that stick out. You're so cute. You're so cute. Cisco was a bigger cat overall, but hers was pretty big. Sable's was pretty big too. And Sable only had 4 kittens. I think she had lots of placenta and fluid in there. And I didn't see any of the placentas on Skies because we were trying to get kittens revived. She did have a giant uterus though. Giant uterus. Are you Rubenesque? She's so cute. Cisco actually followed me to the food bins and then up to the feeding station for the first time last week. And Sable's been joined the welcome committee. Like, more, belly. Oh, upside down. That's adorable. Where's my camera when I need it? Do you need pets or do you need to play? Can I get this belly? Oh, I can get it like this. So big. So big. Where's my camera when I need it? Why didn't I keep forgetting it because I had it in the car for the feeding station. Whoops, that was not in focus. Diary of a Beached Catermelon. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh. You're very pear-shaped right now. Poor little Starling. was a big sigh. I'm going to send that one to Dr. F. Just for fun. Wait, that's just your, oh no, that's just your video. That's just a video of your belly. The sound, you can hear the sound. I'm going to send it to your friend Dr. Ferguson. Here, do we have some, oh, it's okay. Oh no, here, do we have some pets this way? There, see? Don't cringe. Oh, don't shrink away from me in horror. There we go. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, such a good girl. Oh, there we go. There we go. Play position. Each whale position. Oh, poor little caterpillar. Only a few more days. Wake up. You're so cute. You're so cute. What? Oh. Where's that belly? It's so big. Roll it over. So cute. Easier if I go that way. So the 14th is Wednesday, I think, right? Yep, Wednesday or Thursday. But of course it could happen any other day. It could, but I think it will be, I think they have a couple more days. Let's see, where's your weight chart? Okay, if we get your x-ray. Oh. Right, so if we did what if we were at 38 days then? That would put us today? Oh yeah, today. 38. If we were at 38 days on the 17th, then we would be at, let's see, what day is it today? 9, 10? C11 minus C10. Oh, 2013, really? That puts us on day 62 today. It certainly is possible we were at day 38. 38, that would give us 4 days to mineralization. No, I think we're pretty close. It's 36. Who knows? We'll find out. Oh, so much work being a catermelon. What do you think about this? I haven't seen any nesting behavior. I haven't seen a lot of grooming. There's been some. Some good movement in there though. Kittens are squirming around. They're still way up there though. You can see there's one like right here right at the end of her rib cage. They have to move all the way down. Oh, I don't think she's dropped yet. But I haven't really seen her waddle too much today. The waddle. look at that belly. Poor little Melon. I should let her sleep. The question is, do I leave the camera? What do you think? I guess I should put the camera back, because as soon as I leave, you're going to go somewhere else. Aren't you? Well, you have been spending some time in this area. It's a crapshoot, huh? How do we know where you're going to go next? You're a catermelon. You have the right to change your mind. Yes, what a good girl. You get some rest. I'm going to observe and see how long you stay in your resting positions. Now you've had your big playtime workout. Ooh. We'll just leave that and see. Alright, little monkey. You be comfy. See you later.